Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, I see this foundation. I'll leave that information down below. But nevertheless, we are here to talk about some liquid lipsticks. A company by the name of Valra, V-A-L-R-A Cosmetics, reached out to me and asked me would I just try their products. And I was like, sure, you know, we all love a nice, good, liquid, matte lipstick. So, you know, why not try it out and see if you guys like it, if you like it on me, and how's it wear, and things like that. In addition to, you know, if it's drying, all the things that go along with wearing a liquid matte lipstick. So let's get right into it. I have 3 shades here, which I'm excited about because you know, when it comes to liquid lipsticks, it can be kind of tricky. To me it can. You know, you see one shade on how it looks and you put on your lips, it looks totally different. So I do have 2 lip pencils here to kind of, you know, blend some things out and to make it look nice according to my skin tone. So the first shade I have here is called Bleached. And if you can tell, let me see, you probably can't. It's the color of this right here. So it's like a nice nude shade. This color is called Riot. It's kind of a mauve shade, and this one's called Red Velvet, and which is a nice reddish shade. So we're gonna start with the lightest to the darkest because we don't want to kill my lips. So let's go ahead and get started. So for one, let's get into the packaging. The packaging is super duper cute. These nice little roses, and it says Romantic Bear on the actual box. So yeah, but this one's called, I didn't say what this was called. This was called Bleach. I don't know if I said that, Bleached. It's really, really cute. When I first saw it, I said, oh my God, it's so nicely sealed. I couldn't even get into it. But that's a good thing because at least you know it's nice and sealed. So I opened it up from the bottom. And here is Bleached. Nice, cute, frosted tube. Not too much, not too little. I don't like, sometimes when you get too much lipstick, you don't go through it. But this is a nice size. I can see myself using this one up. Okay, so here's everything. It has a nice smell. To me, it smells like chocolate, but not the chocolate from the chocolate store. It smells like the chocolate from like back in the day, like your toys. When you got your toys back in the day and it had like a chocolate smell to it. That's what it smells like. It smells really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off what I have on my lips. And since this is a light shade, I'm going to go ahead and put on a lip liner. I'm going to put on a brown lip liner. And the lip liner I'm going to use is by NYX. This is called Downtown Beauty. It's a nice brown for my skin complexion. Okay, so I have my lip liner on. I'm going to go ahead and put on Bleached. It's more on the pinky side. I thought it would be kind of nude. This is more on the pinky side. This is very pink in person. But nevertheless, it's still pretty. It goes on smooth. It's very thin. And just like most liquid matte lipsticks, you have to play around it for a little bit because it can be a little streaky. But it's pretty. I would probably put a gloss over this. I do like the look. I really do. I do like it. But I'll probably put a gloss over it. It's not quite dry yet because my lips are sticking together. But it definitely looks good. It looks good. Okay, so try to take off Bleach. It's a little stain. But I have to remember, I just put it on. So I'm trying to take it off. So I'm going to move into Riot. I'm going to use the same lip liner. You know what? Let's look at it. And let me swatch this for you, just so you can see how it looks. Thought that'd be nice to swatch it. So this is how it looks. I hope it's given a good reputation. So let's go into Riot. That's Riot. So I'm going to use the same lip liner. Okay. And here we go, Riot. It's a nice mauve color. Very work friendly. I like it. This is nice. Nice, work friendly. I like it. Okay, last but not least, Red Velvet. We all love a nice red lipstick, don't we? So, let me show you how this one looks. Nice and red. I love these little frosted bottles. Frosted tubes. They're really, really cute. And we always like cute lipstick that we can actually pull out when we're out and about and looks like, you know, a conversation piece. Now that's a red. That's blue undertone. Oh my God. I'm going to use a different lip liner. I'm going to use a nice plum lip liner because I want to kind of give it a nice ombre effect. And I'm going to be keeping this one on for the rest of the day. Okay. So I have my lip liner on. Oh, this is bright. This is bright. This is what you want. Okay, so here is the final look of this red velvet. Isn't this pretty? Oh my God. This will be going with me on my trip this weekend. This is pretty. I like this. And it makes your teeth look extra white. I love it. I love it. So that's the kind of recap. Here are the shades. We have Bleached, we have Riot, and we have Red Velvet. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want to say thank you to the folks over at Valra Cosmetics for allowing me to try out these amazing liquid lipsticks. Ladies, I will leave all the information down below. Check them out. Super affordable. And yeah, maybe we can get a coupon code or something. Maybe these is nice. This red, with this lip liner, this is nice, guys. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.